Keyframing. Keyframing is a powerful tool in video editing that allows you to create smooth transitions and dynamic animations. By setting keyframes, you can control the movement, opacity, and position of video elements over time. This technique is essential for adding special effects, enhancing visual storytelling, and creating professional quality videos. Whether you're animating text, adjusting color grades, or creating complex motion graphics, keyframing provides precise control and flexibility in your edits. First, drag and drop the video file onto the timeline. Then drag and drop the object for animation onto the B-roll track. Double-click on it to access the editing options, and then go to the editing panel. Decrease the scale of the object and move it to the right side of the screen. Turn on the keyframe for the transform option. Move the playhead a few seconds forward, then go to the media player and move the object to the left side of the screen. You'll see that a starting animation has been added to the video. Move the playhead a few seconds further, click on the video track to select it, and go to the editing panel. Click on Blend and turn on the keyframe. Move the playhead to the ending frame, then go back to the editing panel and set the opacity to 0%. You can see that I have created an animation. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome content. See you in the next video.